Fear often grows through repetition. It begins as a single thought, a fleeting worry that whispers in a quiet moment. But when we allow that whisper to return, again and again, it carves a pathway in our minds. Like a trail in a forest, the more it's walked, the deeper and more defined it becomes, until it feels like the only path we can take. This is the subtle architecture of anxiety, built one repeated thought at a time. Many of our deepest fears become heavier not because the threat is greater, but because they are mentally replayed so often. Our brains are powerful learning machines, designed to strengthen connections that are frequently used. When we rehearse a fear, worrying about a future event, replaying an awkward conversation, imagining a worst-case scenario, we are, in essence, teaching our brain to be afraid. We are practicing the very state we wish to avoid, making the neural circuits for that fear stronger and faster with each mental rehearsal. This repetition creates a powerful, self-sustaining loop. A trigger appears. The familiar fearful thought arises, and our body responds as if the danger is real. Our heart races, our breath shortens, our muscles tense. This physical feedback then seems to validate the thought, confirming that yes, this is something to be afraid of. And so, repeated fear strengthens fear, locking us into a cycle where the anticipation of anxiety becomes a source of anxiety itself. But what if we could interrupt this rehearsal? The power of this cycle lies in its momentum, its uninterrupted repetition. The key is not to fight the thought, but to simply notice it without continuing the performance. You don't have to solve the fear forever. You just have to interrupt one fearful rehearsal today. When the thought appears, acknowledge it gently, and then consciously shift your focus. Take one deep breath. Notice the feeling of the air filling your lungs. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This small act of pausing creates a space, a moment of stillness where a new choice can be made. It's in this space that the path of fear begins to fade, and a new path toward calm can begin.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.